Most Google Reviews apps for Shopify charge between $5 and $20 a month. This one is completely free, takes about 2 minutes to set up, and drops your real Google reviews onto any page using app blocks. To get started, go to the Shopify App Store and search for Google Reviews by Boltwerk. After installation, you'll be redirected to the dashboard, where you can enter your place ID so your reviews show up. If you don't know your place ID, click the Google Maps Platform tool link in the dashboard to find it. Now that the Google reviews have been successfully imported, we can go ahead and add the app block to our homepage. In the settings section of the app block, you have various customization options. You can show the reviews as a list, grid, or carousel. All the colors are adjustable, parts of the app block can be hidden, and the title can be edited as well. The app block can easily be integrated on any page of your theme. That's it. All we have to do now is hit save and check out the result.